Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Brookhaven. And yesterday I posted a video and showing this new house and the new vehicles and stuff about the update. Yesterday I tried to find the safe, and I just found this secret place over here. Like, let real quick. I'm just gonna take it. Okay. So yesterday I found this secret only, and it's a good hiding spot even. So if you go here, that's it. So guys, if you haven't watched that video, please go watch it. And this is the hiding spot, guys. But yesterday I found this one. Then yesterday I tried to find the safe, but today I'm gonna find the safe. Okay, so they said if you take this shovel, go here, dig one to 5 times something. So if you do like this, you can go to your place like stuffs. Oh, see, we came, guys. This is the place, and look at this. So here's the safe, and here's the money. Okay, so now here's some type of ramp, right? Ooh, wait a second. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, I think someone's gonna find. And wait, what is this? Okay, I don't know. And if you dig here also like 5 times, and you'll go get out of that place. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Like, wait, oh yeah, we came, guys. So this is the lock place. Okay, who's this? Ooh, they came to give supplies. Okay, let's check. Someone is having like stuffs like this. Dude, how are you flying? Oh, here's one. Okay, let's go rob his safe. Okay, guys, I'm. Oh, it's there only. Okay, it's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, before he banned me, I just think so went. Okay, let me take the bomb. Okay. Okay, let's go again. Okay, guys, we just robbed it. Okay. Okay. I don't know why still we didn't go. Ooh. Dude, I robbed your safe. Dude, I robbed your safe. What are you gonna do? Wait, what are you gonna do? I just robbed your safe. Okay, we don't need to like make him worry. Okay, let's go near that house. Okay, guys. Oh, okay, let's rob even here. We're here. Let's check. Almost everyone are like doing this. Everyone are building this house. I don't know why they're like. No, it's actually good place to play RP. Okay, guys, we came back. Let's have this. Okay. Okay, rob it. Take it. Okay, we took. Okay, I think she's gonna ban me. Like she or he, I don't know. But no, okay, I don't think so. Okay, fast. Oh, we came. Oh my God, she here. Oh my God, she's gonna ban me. I think so. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, just miss. Like just miss. There is one house. Here is one house. Lot of houses are there, guys. Okay, guys, and I think she's trying to ban me. Okay, whatever it is, I'm gonna keep this. This is actually like a cracker on something. Okay, guys, that's it. This video is like about this video. There's nothing. And my friend Kak is right now playing. What? Dude, I'm Naruto. Like I can catch the. Dude, I'm Naruto. I can catch bullet. Guys, I've never watched Naruto anytime, and I just like Naruto and like the Sasuke. Like it comes like Sasuke, and I like it. I can catch bullet. Okay, I just said her. I don't know what is she gonna tell. Okay, I'm just gonna laugh at it. Hats off for you. Actually. Okay, wait. I'm gonna like call the police, and I don't think so. There is a police. Oh my god, if we call the police, she will tell the truth that we robbed. Okay, okay. But just wish there's no police. So, guys, that's it. This video is. And if you wanna know till anything about the stuff, like any any secret in this place, even I want to know this. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. No, no, no. For a second, my heart like something happened. Okay, so guys, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Yeah, I don't know today why I'm not. Okay. Huh. Oh, okay. Wait, I wanna climb. Ah, I'm Naruto. Um, why am I picking this? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, and that's it today, guys. And I'm gonna play some obby today with my friend Kak. So, guys, if you don't know who is Kak, okay, guys, Kak is my best friend in this whole Roblox, and second friend is like some, what is his name? I forgot. Okay, Jacultra Motive, and next is Akosi Bogat. So, guys, and next I think I forgot. Okay, guys, that's it. And follow me on follow me on Roblox. It's Mr. Cool YT521. Let me just tap what I can catch. Okay, okay. Mr. Cool YT521. So see, guys, this is the thingy. You can see Mr. Cool YT521. Please follow me, guys. Please. And you can play with me also, with me, with my sis, with my friends, so with everyone. Okay, yes, I'll end this video. Bye bye, see you. Why isn't it? Oh my gosh.